What you are about to see is not a news broadcast.
Tonight, perhaps you may be able to help solve a mystery.
It's flashing this E010. So I was just recommending the electric e-bikes to some friends, and then mysteriously yesterday the main one that we use to tow our little trailer here started giving an error code.
Fact, fantasy, and history have come together to tease the imagination.
We're going to have to call Lectric and see what they recommend a fix for this. So here we go.
If you have completed the troubleshooting process and your bike is still not turning on, please contact our customer support for further assistance.
Number for Lectric is 602-715-0907, and then option 3. Save you having to watch a YouTube video to find that out. Again, an error code, so the throttle won't work anymore. It's E010.
Super easy fix to get rid of the E010 code. Unfortunately, I do need to send a part out to you. Probably 3-4 days. I would imagine if I get it shipped out today, that'll count as a day too.
What is the part? Is it the display that's need fixed?
It's actually a controller, and the controller's kind of the brain of the bike.
The new part arrived.
Cloaked in secrecy, they show up without warning.
Straight from Lectric. Took a couple of days. Came to the campsite we're at. Here we go.
According to the legend, he carried only 3 tools: a hammer, a saw, and a T-square.
Just these four connections to remove. This is the old one. Now to put in the new one. Red into red. Easy. Orange into orange. Easy. The hardest part is just feeding this long cable through the bottom. Come out the bottom here. It's going to connect there. All the other ones are just located in there, and you can just connect them. Now you've got to fold it back in this way, so this is still available to connect. And you're really just going to disconnect this from the old controller. Put it on here. Voila. Now I'm just going to screw these back in. It's just a case of cable management. Just going to screw these back in. I'm just going to make sure I'm going to zip tie this at the bottom here so it's a bit tidier. We now have no error code.
Christmas miracle.
Dad fixed the e-bike.
Dad, with the e-bike roll. What e-bike?
That one.
What happened to it?
The controller wasn't working, so we had to order a new controller.
Yay.
Hey presto. It's a pretty easy fix. Obviously, we've only got 150 miles here, so hopefully this isn't a every 150 miles you need to order a new part and then install it. That would not be good. But all in all, at customer service, it was a 3-minute phone call. The part was here in 2 days. It was a 20-25 minute install job. Hope this is helpful.
We scream, we jump, we laugh, and we go home. The idea of a creature larger than a gorilla with an odor like a skunk might seem far-fetched. Perhaps the answer will come someday soon, when the skies open up over another small community, and the blobs once again fall to earth. A rational explanation is hardly necessary.